Hey everyone! Welcome back to our series on lesser-known tips for general health care. Some of them are really surprising. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
We all know how vital sleep is for our health. But did you know that listening to the sound of the wind can really help you sleep better? Studies have proven that people who listen to soothing sounds like the wind before bed tend to fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. That's because the soft, gentle sound of the wind helps to relax your body and mind, making it easier for you to drift off into a deep sleep. There are countless benefits to getting a massage, including enhancing your overall health. Massaging your back can help to improve circulation, release tension and knots, and amplify range of motion. Touch is also a powerful way to connect with others and can be valuable for your mental health. If you're on the lookout for ways to enhance your health, consider adding back massage to your routine. There is more to reading comic strips than only entertainment. In fact, reading comic strips can in fact be helpful for your health. Studies have demonstrated that laughter can help improve our overall mood, moderate stress levels, and even boost our immune system. So next time you're feeling down or stressed out, try reading a few comic strips and recognize if it doesn't make you feel simply a little bit better. If you're looking to improve your overall health, eating coconut may be a good option for you. Studies have shown that coconut can help enhance cholesterol levels, alleviate inflammation, and boost brain health. Coconut is also a great source of energy and can help you miss weight in a healthy way.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.